Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making a very delicious and spicy peas chaat. It's a very healthy and protein snack. It is also called Batani Chaat. I took 1 cup of peas. You can use green peas or the white peas. These are not white, but they call it white peas. They are yellow in color. So I soaked for 4 hours and then boiled in instant pot. We should boil them until they are soft like this. I took 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and heated on medium heat. For this recipe, we don't have to use a lot of oil. When the oil is hot, I added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds are spluttering, I added 2 green chilies finely chopped and a medium size onion finely chopped. I added a pinch of salt for the onions. You don't have to brown the onions. After stirring for a minute, you can add the finely chopped tomato and the cilantro. I took 1 tomato and a handful of cilantro. Stir it well, cover it with a lid and cook for a few minutes. While they are cooking, I took 2 tablespoons of cooked peas into a grinder and grinding into a fine paste. I will keep this aside for now. Let us check the onion and tomato. They cooked well, but they don't have to be overcooked. So now I will go ahead and add the cooked peas along with the water. Now adding the ground peas also. Give it a mix. Now to this add some salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Also adding half a teaspoon of coriander cumin powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a mix and cover it and cook until they are well cooked. Here they are well cooked. If their peas are not cooked very well, you can actually mash it a couple of times with the potato masher. If you are mashing the peas, there is no need to grind some peas, but I just wanted to show you both anyway. So the peas have to be well cooked, otherwise they don't blend together. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and switch off the flame. Now this smells really delicious. Now let us prepare the chaat. In a bowl, take 2 ladles full of peas mixture. Adding some finely chopped onion, tomato, finely chopped cilantro, and then I am adding some save. It is the thin save. You can add the save or the bundi. Both are available in Indian stores. If you have coriander mint chutney also available, you can add that also. It gives a beautiful taste. Serve it hot as an evening snack. It has a mouthful of taste. I hope you all love this recipe. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like my Facebook page. Also visit my Telugu channel for more interesting recipes. I will see you in my next recipe. Until then, happy cooking.